In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Gmail. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good grasp of how to make the most out of this tool in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open Gmail. You might already be familiar with this. Just navigate to Gmail in your web browser or open the app on your mobile device. Once you're there, think about an email thread that you want to catch up on. This could be a series of back and forth emails that you've neglected, or one that discusses multiple topics. Go ahead and select or open that email thread now. Now that you have the email thread open, you will notice an option or button that says Ask Gemini. This tool is integrated into your Gmail for your convenience. Go ahead and click on it. The beauty of this feature is that it acts as your assistant, ready to help with any information or summaries you need about the conversation in front of you. Once you click Ask Gemini, it'll prompt you to enter a request. At this point, you have the flexibility to type in a specific prompt. For example, you can ask Gemini to summarize the email thread for you. Type in your request as clearly as you can, like, "Can you summarize this thread?" or specify any particular information you're trying to glean from the conversation. Gemini will quickly analyze the content of the email thread and provide you with a concise summary or important points. This is particularly useful when you're pressed for time or have tons of emails to go through. After the initial response from Gemini, you might find you have additional questions or need further clarification. In this case, feel free to ask follow-up questions. You might ask for more details on a particular part of the email or for clarification on the summary provided. It's a conversational tool, so you can communicate with it as if you're speaking with someone. Remember, the key here is to make sure your prompts are clear and to the point. The more concise your requests, the more effectively Gemini can assist you. This tool is incredibly powerful for managing email overload, saving time, and ensuring you don't miss out on the important parts of any communication. And that's it. You've learned how to effectively use Gemini in Gmail. With this tool, managing and understanding your emails becomes a breeze, leaving you more time to focus on what really matters. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you'll find this feature as helpful as it promises to be.